to learn about concat function. So what does concat do? Concat merges two of the cells A2 comma B2 into one cell. So if you ever need to combine town and state, last name, first name into one cell, then you can use this function. You can literally combine any two cells or multiple cells into one cell. So now over here, as you can see, town and state has been combined, but if you want to separate it, you can do double quotation comma space double quotation comma enter. So in this way, as you can see, there is a space in between the town and state. So now you can copy this and select all the data that you need to combine and paste this. So now you have successfully learned how to combine two of the data into one cell. So this concat function is very helpful and can save you a lot of time to keep your data organized. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment. Hope to see you in next video. Thank you for watching.